Whoa.
Sorry, lots are stuck in that bag.
I put my hand in there.
Yep, put
Yeah,
your
you wanna
hand in
put
there
your
just
bag
like
in there
Daddy.
and see if it happens again while they're... No, go ahead. Open it. Remember how I said? Yep. Now lift.
Good job.
Oh,
A new shirt. Oh, wow. Okay, let's
Look
see
at
it.
It's like a
Oh,
dress.
that'll be cute with those little shoes.
Yes,
Perfect.
It looks like it will match the
And
pink.
water.
Alright, pull it on out.
It's your last one.
You're really going down here. You open gifts better than I remember.
Yeah. Oh, look at that havoc that we've left behind.
Good job. Parents have been doing a lot of shopping at Macy's on these boxes.
Apparently.
Woohoo.
Woohoo, huh?
Okay, put it over here. Over. There you go.
I'll put my hand in there.
Okay, go ahead and lift it up.
Oh, no.
Whoa, don't just throw.
Sorry, Gamma. We're so excited.
We got pants
Yay!
and a shirt.
Let's see the shirt. Let Mommy see the shirt, Elena.
Here, show them the shirt.
Oh, that is cute too.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Now what are you going for?
I will walk.
Oh, you want to walk in it?
Okay, don't crush poor Walter.
Okay.
You got boots on, you might as well, huh?
Can you, hey Elena, can you say thank you, Gamma? Thank you, Poppy.
Say thank you.
Hey, you.
Can you look at Mommy and say thank you, Gamma? Thank you, Poppy.
Elena.
Elena,
Hey. Elena.
say thank you.
Take